In recent days, China has once again drawn global attention by revealing one of its most advanced unmanned aerial systems, known as the Kahung-7, also called the Rainbow 7 or simply CH-7. This aircraft represents a major step forward in modern aviation, especially in the field of unmanned and autonomous flight. Unlike traditional passenger aircraft, this is a pilotless aerial vehicle designed for long-range, high-altitude, and high-endurance missions. The CH-7 is not just another drone, it is a symbol of how artificial intelligence and stealth technology are shaping the future of air power. The CH-7 is a stealth unmanned aerial vehicle developed by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. It has a flying wing design, which means it does not have a traditional tail or vertical stabilizer. This design is not chosen for looks, but for performance. The flying wing shape significantly reduces radar visibility, making the aircraft much harder to detect. This is one of the key reasons why the CH-7 is often described as a next-generation stealth drone. One of the most remarkable features of the Kahung-7 is that it flies completely without a pilot. All operations are controlled through advanced onboard computers, satellite communication systems, and ground control stations. Once programmed, the drone can take off, cruise, perform its mission, and return to base with minimal human intervention. This level of autonomy shows how far aviation technology has progressed in recent years. The CH-7 is designed to operate at very high altitudes for extended periods of time. This allows it to cover vast areas without needing frequent refueling or maintenance. High-altitude flight also provides a strategic advantage, as it keeps the aircraft out of reach of many conventional air defense systems. Combined with its stealth characteristics, this makes the CH-7 a powerful tool for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Although many people first notice drones because of their military role, the CH-7 is not limited to a single purpose. It can be used for intelligence gathering, battlefield monitoring, electronic surveillance, and potentially even strike missions if equipped accordingly. The internal weapon bays, hidden within the stealth body, allow the drone to carry payloads without increasing its radar signature. This is a crucial feature for modern stealth operations. Another important aspect of the Kahung-7 is its integration of artificial intelligence. AI systems assist in navigation, threat detection, route optimization, and mission decision-making. While final control remains with human operators, the drone can react to changing conditions much faster than a traditional piloted aircraft. This reduces risk to human life and increases mission efficiency. From a technological point of view, the CH-7 demonstrates China's growing expertise in advanced aerospace engineering. Developing a flying wing stealth drone requires precise materials, advanced aerodynamics, and highly reliable control algorithms. Even small errors can destabilize such an aircraft, which is why only a few countries in the world are capable of producing systems like this. When news channels showed footage of this aircraft in mid-December, many viewers mistook it for a passenger plane or a futuristic civilian aircraft. In reality, the CH-7 has no passenger cabin, no cockpit windows, and no onboard crew. Everything about its design serves a single goal: efficiency, stealth, and autonomous operation. This confusion highlights how futuristic unmanned aircraft now appear, often resembling science fiction concepts rather than traditional planes. The emergence of drones like the CH-7 also reflects a broader shift in global aviation trends. Around the world, air forces are increasingly investing in unmanned systems because they reduce operational costs and eliminate risks to pilots. A drone can stay in the air longer, fly into dangerous environments, and perform repetitive missions without fatigue. The Kahung-7 fits perfectly into this new strategic mindset. Despite its military focus, the technology behind the CH-7 can influence civilian aviation in the future. Autonomous flight systems, advanced sensors, and efficient aerodynamic designs could eventually be adapted for cargo transport, environmental monitoring, or disaster response. While passenger planes without pilots are still a topic of debate, unmanned aircraft like the CH-7 are already proving that autonomous flight is reliable and effective. It is also important to understand that the CH-7 is not a single experimental model. It represents an entire family of advanced unmanned aircraft under the K-Hung, or Rainbow, program. Each new version builds upon the lessons learned from previous designs, making them more capable, more efficient, and more intelligent. The Rainbow 7 stands out as one of the most advanced members of this family. As technology continues to evolve, drones like the K-Hung 7 will play an increasingly important role in shaping airspace strategy and aerial operations. They challenge traditional ideas about what an aircraft should look like and how it should be operated. With no pilot on board and heavy reliance on software and AI, the CH-7 represents the future of aviation rather than its past. In conclusion, the aircraft shown on news channels in mid-December was not a passenger jet, but the K-Hung 7 stealth unmanned aerial vehicle. Its full name, Rainbow 7, reflects both its place in China's drone development program and its advanced technological capabilities. With its stealth design, autonomous flight, and high-altitude endurance, the CH-7 stands as a clear example of how modern aircraft are becoming smarter, safer for operators, and more efficient than ever before. This drone is not just a machine, it is a glimpse into the next era of aviation.